Do you simply have an interest in the future, or are you a fan of Tesla? You shouldn't skip out on seeing this particular film. Come learn how Tesla is changing not just the energy and transportation sectors, but also the human brain. The macro shifts that are occurring right now are not impervious to the car industry as a whole. Thus, I believe that going into this quarter, people were somewhat expecting it. Tesla has been lowering pricing, but here is the really interesting part. Thanks in large part to Tesla, the cost of EVs has decreased by 20% in the past year. A Model 3 now costs less than the typical American automobile. That is very significant. Today's car buyers search for the sticker price difference before making a purchase. For a while now, the overall cost of ownership of an electric vehicle has been less expensive than that of a gas-powered vehicle, but what truly influences customer decisions to buy is the sticker price. EVs will probably continue to gain market share. There is no indication that the number of electric vehicles will not surpass that of gas-powered automobiles. We are concentrating on that in our long-term plan for Tesla. Now, let's go on to Ford. Yesterday's tentative UAW settlement was good news, but the profits report was poor. With a 7.4% decline, shares are now down nearly 10% for the week. Although the purchase is a relief, the company is currently under pressure due to their missing earnings per share of 39 cents instead of the expected 40 cents. Revenue exceeded expectations, rising 11% annually to $43.8 billion. If we examine the EBIT loss, the Model E segment amounted to almost $1.3 billion. The losses now total $3.1 billion as a result. With its groundbreaking goods and audacious mission, Tesla has been making waves for years, but 2024 will be the year that they really take off. In this video, we'll share some of the trade secrets of Tesla's success, as well as the challenges and revelations that lie ahead. Tesla is more than simply a vehicle company, from the enormous gigafactories to the innovative solar roofs and the enigmatic Cybertruck. It is a force for change. In order to provide a more accurate picture of Tesla's performance in 2024, we must take into account the company's potential in four key areas: government EV tax credits, legacy manufacturers' performance, EV demand, and, above all, the introduction of the Tesla Cybertruck. Now, without further ado, let us get going. President and CEO of Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management. You've heard some pessimistic opinions this afternoon from Danny, Ross, and Shorten. The market is obviously being negatively impacted by banks' lack of support. To get ourselves fired up, we need a little bit of optimistic enthusiasm. This afternoon, what will Elon take out of the hat? He's going to require a really big rabbit of some kind, and Cybertruck is a good name for it, in my opinion. In actuality, the Cybertruck is what is driving Tesla. Though, to be honest, I'm the only one who finds energy storage and charging to be exciting. The Model Y is an outdated vehicle that is widely available. Prices are getting progressively lower, just like with the Prius, and more people are using them for Uber rides. It's been a while since it was updated. While the Model 3 facelift is a welcome development and should be made available in the US, the Cybertruck revitalizes the brand. For more than 10 years, Tesla has been redefining the automotive sector. Could we, however, tell you that 2024 will be their most momentous year to date? Even though the electric vehicle (EV) market is rather active, Tesla continues to lead the auto industry in terms of innovation, features, and cost. Tesla will persist in its efforts to maintain its position at the top of its industry for an extended period of time. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. One thing needs to be kept in mind while we examine the reasons why Tesla is positioned to rule the market, the difficulties it will encounter, and the innovations it will introduce to the world. Tesla still has a lot of opportunity to expand. Tesla is more than just a car company. It's a force for change, as seen by its audacious plans to introduce a fleet of self-driving robo-taxis and its innovative battery technology, which will allow its cars to run on cheaper and longer-range batteries. Why then will Tesla have a momentous 2024? Let's investigate. Before we continue, though, please make sure you press the like button, subscribe, and enable post notifications if you enjoy this kind of content. This will help you stay updated on all things Tesla. The International Energy Agency stated earlier in April that the global sales of electric cars are expected to reach new heights this year, bringing their market share to nearly one-fifth of all cars, and bringing about a significant transformation of the auto industry that will have an impact on the energy sector, particularly oil. More than 10 million electric vehicles were sold globally in 2022, according to the most recent edition of the IEA's annual Global Electric Vehicle Outlook. This year, sales are predicted to increase by another 35% to reach 14 million. According to IEA forecasts, the share of the overall auto market accounted for by electric cars increased from approximately 4% in 2020 to 14% in 2022 and is expected to reach 18% this year due to their fast development. By the end of the decade, EVs are expected to account for the majority of car sales worldwide, putting roughly half of the world's oil demand at risk. This exponential increase in EV sales is altering the auto sector faster than currently anticipated. The car's affordability, which is where Tesla has a big competitive edge, might be the only problem. When it comes to innovation, technology, brand value, and consumer loyalty, Tesla has a significant advantage over other automakers. The carmaker is always coming up with new models and features, including the Cybertruck Model Y and even FSD, to cater to the expanding market of EV purchasers. Apart from maintaining a strong brand identity, Tesla is attempting to cut the cost of its cars in order to gain a competitive edge over rivals who are finding it difficult to match its speed and inventiveness. Positive adjustments to the federal EV tax credit may further add intrigue to the mix, especially when combined with Tesla's attempts to reduce costs. Tesla will be able to increase sales and capture a larger portion of the growing EV market if the EV tax credits are reevaluated by 2024 and more Tesla vehicles are found to be eligible for them. Then there's the possibility of market share loss for established automakers. It's becoming more and more clear that Tesla controls the American electric vehicle market and everyone else is just following its rules. Tesla's advantage in the electric vehicle sector has grown even more noticeable due to its early entry into the market and rapid rate of innovation. In fact, competing automakers are beginning to resemble niche EV manufacturers that only build low-volume cars. With a lot of its features, Tesla may dominate the market. To start, the carmaker built a global network of superchargers to provide consumers quick and easy ways to charge their vehicles. A Tesla can be charged in minutes using these superchargers, whereas other EV charging stations could take hours. With free or inexpensive network connection, Tesla owners benefit from a sense of exclusivity and community that is fostered by the company's supercharger network. And there's the Cybertruck as well. The Cybertruck is a clear example of Tesla's dedication to innovation, from its exoskeleton construction to its bulletproof windows. This electric behemoth is a testament to Tesla's relentless goal of pushing the envelope. The Cybertruck is a technological marvel in addition to being strong. The Cybertruck, which is based on Tesla's FSD technology, promises a degree of autonomy that has the potential to completely change the way we think about transportation. Undoubtedly, there have been difficulties along the way in bringing the Cybertruck to market, including problems with the supply chain and production setbacks. Tesla has had challenges in navigating a challenging environment, but the Cybertruck has been maintained thanks to the company's tenacity and resolve. The continued development of Tesla, which includes the establishment of gigafactories in Berlin and Texas, is also essential to the realization of the Cybertruck. These cutting-edge facilities will be essential to increasing output and satisfying strong demand. In 2024, a number of other intriguing things might occur. In the first half of 2024, for example, Tesla intends to begin expanding its Grünheide facility, as company representatives disclosed during open discussions about the development plans. Similarly, Tesla is developing a brand new car project called Juniper, which is purported to be an improved and revamped Model Y. Even though Tesla's future is unknown, it is clear that the company has enough projects in the works to make 2024 a historic year. How do you see Tesla's growth trajectory in 2024? Tell us in the comments below. Click the next video on your screen to see more updates on Tesla. I'll see you over there.